Instead of just tracking raw comments, you can also track specific words or phrases. So let's say that I want to track people saying GG. I can see, okay, here, for example, a lot of people said GG. Here we had 6 mentions of GG. Why was that? Normally it's because there was a cool play, right? And you can see here, if you scroll in the chat a little bit around this spike, we do see people saying GG, nice, GG. So this might be a good indicator that we should check out what's happening here to see if we want to use it for some kind of content. Another thing we could see would be like lol or lol. Oops, lol. Or what could it be? Kek. There was none. Then we could find places that people found funny and something funny happened. So if you want to go here, we could see why was that a funny moment? You can see here, people wrote lol, hello. Could also put in smileys. And we can play it and see, was it actually funny? Do we want to use this for a YouTube clip or a short or something like that? And that is how you can track specific words or phrases.